Hello, welcome back to Junju Flow. Today, we will be doing deep tissue stretches to help your back feel better, especially your lower back. I made this video in 2 parts, and in this first part video, you won't need any equipment. Let's take 3 breaths together. Take a deep breath in through the nose, then slowly exhale. Inhale deep, and exhale, relax the shoulders. Last time, deep breath in, slowly. Then exhale, let it all go. Now place the soles of your feet together. Stretching out your hips and legs can really help out your back. There is no need to drop your knees all the way down. You're just going to walk your hands forward as much as it feels good. Begin to feel the opening of the inner thighs. Draw your awareness into this area. Relax with every exhale, breathing slow and steady. Then begin to walk your hands to the left, going only as far as to feel a nice stretch throughout your right side. Place your left hand on top of your right and lean forward. Just keep noticing your breath and finding what feels good. One more breath in, then slowly walk your hands back to center, then to the right side. Reaching far with your left hand, place your right hand on top of your left and lean forward. Breathing deep and steady, feel the stretch all throughout your left arm, shoulder, and waist. Then slowly come back to center and walk back up. Open your left leg to the side and flex the foot. Walk your hands forward once more and open through your left inner thigh. Go as far as you'd like. Lower back pain is closely related to the stiffness in the legs and hips. Let's really take this time to stretch out all the connecting muscles. One more breath here. Then walk your hands to your left, placing your hands on either side of your leg and fold over. Feel the stretch all throughout your back, hamstring, and calf. Remember, keep your left foot flexed. Option to take your right hand and hold on to the outer side of your left foot or leg. From here, bring your chin into your chest, then pull away from your left side as you draw in the belly and round the back. This will be a slight twist throughout your spine and a nice stretch in your right shoulder blade. Maybe even turn your head towards the left shoulder. Just hold for one more breath wherever you are. Then slowly come back up to center. Fold your left leg to the back. Place your left hand to your side and reach your right arm up and over your head. Feel free to sit on a block or pillow if your hips feel discomfort. Do your very best to draw in through the belly and open through the chest. Core strength is foundational for the health of your spine. Now slowly come on up, back to center. Place your left hand on your right knee, right hand behind, and twist over, looking past your right shoulder. Just 2 breaths here in this beautiful spinal twist. And release. Slowly flip your left leg back to center and open out your right leg to the side. Flexing through the foot, walk your hands forward and feel the opening throughout your right leg. Really try to slow down your breaths, welcoming relaxation and good energy. Maybe walk your hands further to stretch deeper. Now, let's slowly walk your hands to the right, placing your hands on either side of your leg and fold over. Try to find a nice stretch throughout the left side of your lower back. And once again, you're welcome to take this option of placing your left hand on the outer side of your right leg or foot, then dropping the chest, rounding through the back and lifting through the navel. Really pulling away from your right foot. Just take one more breath in through the nose. Then exhale, release, come back to center. Now slowly bend your right leg to the back. Place your right hand to the side, left arm goes up and over the head, opening through the left side of your body. Remember, keep your core engaged and chest protruded. Take one more breath in, then exhale, come back up to center. Place your right hand on your left knee, left hand behind, twist over. Use your inhale to elongate the spine and exhale to twist deeper. Slowly come back to center. Let's pick our knees up into our chest and place your hands behind your thighs. Make sure you have some space behind you. Then begin to roll back and forth, using your legs to create momentum. Kind of like when you're on a swing. As the momentum grows, try to reach your legs over the head and balance on your shoulder. Take a couple more just like this before we add on. The next time you come back onto your glutes, extend your legs on the ground and really reach your hands forward. Then kick your legs back over the head. Then kick your legs back down and reach your arms over the legs. And repeat. Take this only as far as you'd like and have fun with it. This was something I learned when I had acute lower back pain a few years ago. I hope this helps you too. This time when you kick your legs to the back, stay on your shoulders. You can place your hands on your back for support and really draw in through the belly. Make sure your neck isn't holding the weight. Feel free to come down whenever you need. It's really important to be pressing the ground down with your shoulders. Stay here a little longer or come on down to your backs. Keep your legs extended towards the sky. Then really squeeze your legs together and pull them towards your chest. Wherever you are, take one more breath in through the nose. Then exhale, release, coming onto your backs and hugging your knees in towards your chest. Maybe rock your body from side to side, feeling a nice massage in the lower back. Next, interlace your fingers together, place your hands behind your head, pull your elbows up and curl up into a little ball. Squeeze tight throughout your front body and hold a little longer. Then release. Let's roll on over onto our stomachs now and reach your arms forward, keeping your elbows at shoulder width distance. Slide your right arm underneath your left across the chest and relax your head on the ground. Keep your left arm engaged and fingers pressing the ground. Feel a nice stretch throughout the right side of your arm and shoulder. From here, bring your left hand in front of your face, slide your left knee up, then open your left arm to the sky, twisting over to the right. I'm pretty sure I heard your back crack. Let's stay here for a little while longer. Enjoy the nice release. Take one more breath in, then exhale, come back onto your stomach, slide your leg back, then reach your right arm forward, slide your left arm underneath across the chest, place your head down, feel the stretch. Keep your right arm engaged to feel a deeper stretch. Now for our twist, bring your right hand in front of your face, slide your right knee up, then open up the right arm to the back. How amazing does this feel? Really taking our time here, enjoying the release. One more breath. Then close your right arm in, press yourself back to child's pose, sitting on our heels, resting your forehead on the ground. Let's all come to a wide-legged child's pose now. Open your knees as wide as you'd like and drop the belly in towards the ground. This will feel even better for your lower back. Now try this with your knees open or closed. I'm gonna do it with my knees closed. As you come on up onto your hands, squeeze your glutes tight and round through the spine. Then sit back down, lift your head up high, open through the chest. With the breath this time, exhale, round the spine and shift forward. Squeeze the glutes. And inhale, sit back down and look up. Exhale, head down, round through the back, shift forward, squeeze the glutes. Inhale, sit down, lift your heart, press the hands down. 3 more times, just like this, moving with your own breath now. This is just like the cat and cow, but it follows more of the curvatures of the spine. Last one, exhale, round the spine. Then inhale, sit back down and look up. Finally, rest your forehead on the ground. We're gonna do some sacral pounding now. This will stimulate the nerves in our sacrum and lower back. So close your hands in a fist and bring them to your lower back. Keeping your forehead on the ground, begin to tap the lower back with the sides of your fists, going as far as you can reach. Please refrain from doing this if you are pregnant. Beginning very lightly at first, you can gradually pound a little harder. This is a good exercise for your bladder or intestines. It can help constipation and even good for any blockages in your uterus. Sometimes problems in these organs can cause pain in our lower back and hips. Let's keep going. This is definitely exhausting if you're trying it for the first time, so feel free to take breaks in between. Keep pounding for 1 more breath. Then drop your arms besides your legs, resting your hands, palms facing the sky. Wonderful job, guys. One last thing for this video. We're just going to do a little self-massage. So either roll on up to a seated posture, or you can do this lying down. We just need your hands. On the outer edge of our thumbs down to the side of our wrists are acupuncture points for our spine. We're just going to massage this area by clasping our fingers together and taking one thumb to rub the side of your hand bottom up. I will show you up close. So take the thumb to the side of your hand and slide your thumb from the bottom to the top. You can also move your thumb side to side or hold on a particular area that feels extra good. Only press down till you feel a good kind of pain and breathe into it. If you haven't done the other side already, switch the thumbs and rub the side of your hand with one thumb from the wrist up. And same as the other side, don't forget you can hold in a particular area or move your thumb side to side, maybe even circles, and take deep breaths. Take one more round of breath. And there you go. This was so fun to do together. I hope you feel amazing now. Remember to check out part 2 if you have a foam roller. Catch you on the next one.